Would you like butter on that, sir?
Hey guys, welcome back to PRSOCCERART. It's tutorial time again, and this time we're going to be teaching you how to do the sit-down juggle. So step 1, the position. Keep both your hands flat on the floor, have a straight back, and keep your knees 90 degrees. Not too close, not too far. Step 2, the throw. Before you could throw and start juggling, you need to know exactly how your foot should be placed. Keep it straight and not pointing towards the sky. Now hold the ball with both feet, throw it in the air and try to juggle with your prominent foot. Try to keep the juggle height as minimal as possible. Step 3, the sit-down juggles. Now it's all about practice. Place the ball on the ground, pull it with your prominent feet and start juggling. If you do 2 attempts with your prominent foot, try to do 2 attempts with your weak foot too. Now it's all about numbers. Try to do 2 juggles in your right, 2 in your left, 3 in your right, 3 in your left, 4 in right, 4 in left, 5 in right, 5 in left. Keep increasing the numbers until you become a master of it. Okay guys, did you learn all the steps? Are you ready to show me what you got? Let's go one by one. Okay guys, so now that the students have learned the skills, it's time for me to join them and give you a sit-down show. Okay guys, enough of show off. Did you guys like the video, or should I ask, did you learn from it? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe here, watch more videos here. I'll see you again on another video.